Okay, I have now received my second Televue 40mm Plossl. I'm going to open it. So well packed. So the first package is open. Now I'm going to open the second part. Oh, very nicely packed. Now look, there is inside is something like a cotton or something. Okay, another layer, protective layer. Oh, nice. Ah, that's the eyepiece. Let me open it. Okay, this is the Televue Visionary Plossl 40mm. Oh, nicely packed. Again in a soft furnishing style. And then we come to the typical Televue cap. Okay, Televue has its own strange way of having a cap. The way that they explain it is that this side is for the when the fold down rubber is down, you can put it like that, and this side of it is for, they say, for 2-inch one, although this is 1¼ inch itself. So it's a bit odd reasoning, but anyway, they want to be different. And let's open and see the lovely clean. Beautiful. And this is the eyepiece, how it looks. I have another one of these. I've got this second one for using in my Binoviewer. I'll bring that one and show you. Okay, this is the first of my Televue Plossl, and I have been using this one to observe the stars in the Orion Nebula. It's the sharpest Televue I've ever seen. Of course, in my Meade LX200 classic 8-inch telescope. No other eyepiece could show me all members, all components, except the spectral binaries. In the Sigma Orionis, this showed me. I could see details with this that I couldn't see with anything else. I could see nebulosity more clear in the M42 with this one than any other one. And now I can use it in a Binoviewer version. So let's see how it will look in a Binoviewer. So that is my Skywatcher Binoviewer, and I'm going now to put this binocular and this Plossls, Televue Plossl 40mm ones in here. So I'm going to put this in the Binoviewer. Okay, that's the way it looks, and I will be looking forward to use it. Now I'm looking through the Televue 40mm Plossl, and image is much brighter than this. Vixen. Seagulling is almost non-existent. With this one you see something. With this probably around 2-3%, 5% to the edge you see some seagulling, or when you're near the edge in lower or upper part. So if I want to say which one is the best, I compare this Osara third, Vixen second, and Televue first. I'm not surprised why people buy Televue. It's really good view. It's one of the better eyepieces, or best eyepiece. And the surprising thing is that when I change the filter wheel from one filter to another, the image stays with the Televue in focus. With other ones you have to adjust it again, but with this one stays in focus. It's strange. Probably from now on I will just save money and get only Televue for my eyepiece. That's good quality. That's even not the best of them. It's a Plossl. I have probably 5 or 6 40mm eyepieces in the range of 1.25, which is this one. And this Televue is brighter, more contrasty. You can see more. The stars are better shaped, round, and I'm really pleased with this. I have a 15mm Televue, and I just want to see how it compares with others that I have. Anyway, I will just give it a go. But this is the best eyepiece I've in the range of 40mm. I will just save now from now on. Just don't buy any other eyepiece and get Televue only. Televue 1.25-inch 40mm Plossl is sharp. It is really sharp. It's probably the sharpest images I've seen in any eyepiece. And this Max Vision 40mm 2-inch barrel eyepiece is even sharper than that. That is amazing. That's better than this. Of course, I don't know in the 2-inch barrel how the Televue will do, Panoptic or Ethos or others that I don't have them. So, but this is good, better than this. Can be because it has a larger aperture, light gathering power. I wish one day I will try one of these 2-barrel Televue ones. Okay, when I'm using the Televue 40mm Plossl, I can say that instead of trying to see, I start to observe. I can see a lot more. Few eyepieces can give me that view and that impression. Televue is one of those ones.